And I'm looking for anybody who has sang a song, shared a poem, did any movement during our workshop that helped people relax. Could we have those people please turn on your, so David, you did music. Some of our creative people, Michael sang. We had, yes. We're doing our musical group, our movement and music, and
1, 2, 3, Vogue. And 1, 2, 3, a round of claps, please. Thank you.
bravo, 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 everyone. Thank you. You know, it's really wonderful for us. I have a musical background, and so many people in our group have these creative backgrounds that we feel blessed to have with us throughout this workshop, because that gives us more energy for talking about the truly difficult topics that we have to talk about. So your gift is tremendous. And Regina and David, wherever you are, keep in mind, I'm still thinking of having you sing. So start warming up right now. Right now, just start warming up.